corn cam. So now let's get ready for another completely separate cam. The kiss cam. Kiss, 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 kiss. In honor of Black History Month and Women's History Month, UConn honors the legacy of Maya Angelou through a somber reading of her poem, Still I Rise.
No, I'd rather be the recess kids.
See? Come on, we've been chosen or whatever. I actually took African American studies course, so I can do this.
Wait. Are you gonna do a voice?
Whatever happens, happens. Into a daybreak that's wondrously clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream and the hope of the slave. Okay, I see now. I should not have done that. And yet you rose. Should have done the voice. Can you zoom in?
No, cut it off, please.
This has been the Maya Angelou cam. Remember, their cam was about grief, our cam is about race.
Okay, UCB audience. Fridge Magnet is proud to introduce the Rosa Parks cam. We need one white audience member to please stand and offer their seat to Sydney for obvious reasons. This is to honor Black History Month and Women's History Month. It's neither of those months, but that does not matter. This has been the Rosa Parks cam. May she rest in power. UCB audience, it's time for the full stage shot competition. Audience members, you get one attempt to make a shot across the stage. Make the shot, and you'll take home a brand new copy of Robin DiAngelo's White Fragility. We want our audience to stay woke. Be a good person. Volunteer. Oh, people who know you best know this doesn't reflect what's on your heart. But hold yourself accountable and take this time to listen and learn.